Jeff Hetherington, lucky number 13.
Hey, as was mentioned earlier, I also do not have a fireplace. I do have a fire pit in the backyard that has been used for practicing fires for the scouts, trying to get some magic fire starts and whatnot. But since I retired from scouting a few years ago, there's not a lot of firewood kicking around either. So I do have a small pile of firewood at the top of the driveway, stuff that has been fallen about 2 years ago, and still incredibly wet, especially after chiseling it out from the snow and ice. And as of yesterday, still well over 25% moisture. So very difficult for me to come up with something. I had some plans to turn something on the lathe. So what I was able to find dry was a small piece of wood that I believe turned out to be oak once I actually got through the mess that was on it. It was found on the ground in the Port Colborne Conservation Area. And it was dry enough, at least for now, to hold together and become a pen. So I put it on the lathe, turned it into a pen. Unfortunately, that was the largest piece I had that was workable with the moisture I was working with. And this was pen blank number 2. The first one also definitely did not like the idea of being forced into a pen blank. So we'll see how long this one stands up. So far, one day at work today without any issues. So hopefully it continues down that path.
Perfect. Perfect, very good.